cools down when it runs out, and then over time it'll cool off and you can use it again.
Today at the Tokyo Game Show I'm showing my game Gangs of Space, which is basically a massively multiplayer shooting game. So it's very inspired by Japanese arcade games like Dodonpachi and shooting game like this. But you play with a lot of people at the same time, like hundreds of people at the same time. So it's a kind of interesting, and so it's very nice to be able to be here today, showing the game to a very big audience. Especially since we are right in the middle of TGS, so it's pretty awesome. It's also interesting to see how Japanese players react to a mix of Japanese and Western influence in the game, and same for like Western people. How do they think of this kind of weird mashup between kind of Japanese-like shooting game and a very Western-like online game?
Konnichiwa, hello, nice to meet you. I'm Yoshiro Kimura of Onion Games, and today I can introduce my video game called Million Onion Hotel. This is a character, Dr. Peace, and he made a strange hotel called Million Onion Hotel, and he made a lot of strange robots, and the player can go to the world of Dr. Peace, and he is preparing strange game for player. This is puzzle and poem. But you know, for me, no, for indie people, we should spread our game to the world. Anyway, so first of all, I want to feel Japanese audience can play my game. But next step is I want to make world people play my game. Yeah.
And you told me. So I'm showing Salt and Brick Cactus. It's a twin-stick kind of bullet hell shoot 'em up. It's a very high-paced, high-energy kind of game. We tried to create something that's all about frantic action, that feeling of being overwhelmed, but then you somehow come through it and succeed in spite of the odds. Well, it's pretty exciting. I've been to Japan once or twice. I'm from Brisbane, Australia, so it's like kind of a neat holiday spot for us. We can come over in about 8 or 9 hours. But I've never been to TGS, and it's just huge. It's unbelievable. It's just a ridiculous convention. I hope people like the game. I hope our Japanese translation works so people can understand it. So yeah, it's lovely.
It's my game. It's a roguelike where the music generates the levels. So basically everything in the game, every level, every pickup, every enemy is actually generated by the music. Yeah, I've showed it off in Kichijoji at a place called 8-Bit Cafe, and I've done stuff at Mid Summit in Kyoto. I've showed it off a bunch of places for like the past year. But I think this is my best build. Every time I show it off, I keep adding more and more. So, you know, I get more excited to show it off the next time.
So I have my own indie game group as well. Me and a bunch of Japanese artists, actually. I'm a programmer from Boston, Massachusetts, and it's based off of old Japanese style, like there's a bunch of yokai, things like that. And basically, you're a dog and a cat samurai, Wandono and Yandono. You're racing across Japan, you know, fighting different these demons and things like that, and you have to work together.